Yo, 17 hours and 46 minutes until the flight. 17 hours to go. I got to pack, but I kind of know what I'm going to put in the suitcase. Well, I got to go get the suitcase from my mom crib. Still got to do that. Pack. I got to put a mask on. Oh yeah, all right. So I'm working on this joint. I'm gonna just post the picture up in my community post. I'm gonna just post it up and give y'all a description. But basically, it's like, yo, people ask me like, yo, I wish I had the courage to get on there and do a 10K in 10 days challenge, or you just get on there any type of way, any type of day, you just do your thing. And I'm like, listen, man, I used to be worried about little shit, but if my message can help one person, then I have done my job. Like, I'm here to teach through experience. It might be something I say that helped one person out of 1,000 people that may have saw it. But if it helped one person, I did my job. So yeah, I'm gonna get up here and I'm gonna show up every day. But anyway, it's like a guide for that. Like, how do I do that? Like, being bold, taking action, like just putting myself out there. So I'm working on it. I'm working on that. I'm working on an occult manifestation guide. I already got the 7 day is nice, a nice guide just to get your energy right, raise your frequency, get your frequency high. It's a 7 day guide. I did that for $7. That's the first thing I dropped since I've been on here talking with y'all, and that's been since 7/27/25. I've been on here every day telling y'all what I learned and all that, and I'm basically starting to put it into systems. Like, I'm getting it together, structuring. I told y'all I'm getting my plans together. Like, I'm doing my thing. You heard? So yeah, 17 hours, 46 minutes. I'll be back.